We are pleased to show you the 2019 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.